Hey, what's up? What's up, you guys? Back again for another unboxing video. Today, we got the Eureka Power Speed vacuum cleaner. This baby is multi-floor cleaning. It's very lightweight, extra large dust cap, and it's like your normal vacuum cleaners. It looks basically like one of the more expensive ones, but this is a great deal. As you know, I will have a link in the description for this. Make sure y'all guys definitely check it out. The Eureka Clean Promise, performance, quality, and value. Let's unbox this baby and see what we got in here. We'll open it from the side. Of course, you got the instruction manual, and you got a couple of nozzles here, right here. Here's the owner's manual right here. See what you got in here. Yeah, you got two attachments right here. I figure out what they are in the end. Here's you got your brush for your, this is for your fabric. This is your fabric brush. See how that? Next thing up, we got your nozzle. This is your attachment nozzle. You know, if you're familiar, just like all the normal attachments with any other vacuum cleaner, but this baby does the job. So, oh yeah, what we got here? You guys, we got the big boy nozzle here. Okay. So this comes out, and of course, you guys know just like any other vacuum cleaner. Well, first thing, man, what's going on? They got this there. Of course, you know, this is going to be the handle, and then you can put your different attachments onto this. So you could do that, or you can put this on here, and then that way you can clean like your fabrics and stuff. So it's fully adjustable. You can adjust the height on this thing. Let me put this on the side. And now, we got the main event. Ooh, there's that. There we go. Ooh, I like it, man. It's purple. It's purple and yellow. That's a nice little color. You got that right there. Here's the main nozzle, and I'm pretty sure this goes like this. Comes around. So, here's your canister here. It opens up like so. You got your filter right here that goes in there. Close that up. And you got the bottom right here where you open this up on the flap. So when you want to clean it, you just take that off, hit that button, and then all your dirt and stuff just goes right out. You close it right back up. This just sits in here like this. I'm pretty sure. Let's see. Make sure I'm doing it right. Okay. Yep. You just hold that button down. And that goes like that. Let's see, can I get this together without even reading the instructions? So let's flip this around. There's your adjustments left and right. There's your brake. I'm pretty sure this goes into here. Oh, I got it. Oh, that's it. And then we got the nozzle. Here's the nozzle. The nozzle goes there. These are your different attachments. So your attachments can go here. They go there. This is another attachment right here. This is probably going to go on the one. So what we're going to do is, yep, there we go. So this goes in here. We're going to lock that in place, like so. And then this one comes back around. And that one, actually, you know what? I think I got it back. This one looks like it's got a little notch here, so, oh, I got it right. I got it right. I got it right, you guys. This goes here. Yep, this has a little lock on it. So that there, and then you turn it. And it locks in place. And then this goes right there. That's the adjustable. And then that's your full setup on the vacuum cleaner. Come up top, and you can put this right here. You got your top there, like that, like so. And then you got your power button right up there. And that's the adjuster. So this is a nice little vacuum cleaner. I like it. Nothing special. You're a regular vacuum cleaner, get the job done. You put your cords here. So you're gonna put all your cords right up here on this. Once you take that loose, everything goes right up there. And bam, just a regular normal vacuum cleaner. This is a Power Speed So if you got real thick carpet all the way down to hardwood floors, this baby will get the job done. So definitely check out the link in the description. You want to get that, baby. That's that Power Speed. Nice. Yes, sir. That Power Speed by Eureka. Check it out. See you guys on the next one.